It is always with my body. Akong Tatay Dudong, we always plan where to go on a weekend, on our days off. So here we are in Kapilani, just walking. We are trying to reach at least 10,000 steps a day, especially when it is our weekend, our off. Now, if we get more than 10,000 steps a day, that's very, very good. So we will be very happy. So this is our simple life. We just walk around, tingin-tingin sa mga malalaking kahoy sa Waikiki. Sa Pilipinas, takot ang mga tao nitong malalaking baliti tree. Sabihin nila may mumu. Pero dito walang mumu. Hindi sila naniniwala sa mumu. Ang daming ganitong malalaking baliti tree sa Waikiki at kahit saan sa Hawaii. Pero ni isa walang natakot.